Are you a beginner, intermediate, or pro Excel user? Beginners prioritize correctness over speed. By typing an equal sign equals. Select the first cell, C3, then type a plus sign plus. Next, select the second cell, D3, and type another plus sign plus. Then select the third cell, E3, and press Enter to display the result. Each calculation is done individually, which works, but it is slow and repetitive. Intermediate users. Intermediate users improve speed by using the AutoSum feature. Start by typing an equal sign equals and then enter the sum function. Click and drag to highlight the cells you want to add, and press Enter to display the result. Pro users. Pro users operate at shortcut level. They use Alt equals to instantly apply AutoSum across multiple rows and columns at once. Click and drag to highlight the cells you want to add, and press Alt equals to instantly apply AutoSum across multiple rows and columns at once. Rather than solving one total at a time, they calculate entire data blocks simultaneously, completing in seconds what would take beginners several minutes. And that's it. Tech Tricks GH, teaching tricks and techniques in IT and design. Subscribe to give us a reason to do more.